It's an exciting time at AMOB UK as we celebrate being awarded the King's Award for Enterprise in the category of international trade. This prestigious award is the highest accolade a business can achieve in the UK and is recognised the world over. This award will continue to be a source of pride for our team over the next 5 years, but more importantly, it will be valued greatly by AMOB UK's customers. This achievement will serve to guarantee trust in AMOB UK as a brand and secure buyer confidence in what we do best. Founded in 1960, AMOB has become the world's leading manufacturer of metalworking technologies, providing the biggest range of specialised equipment for the tube and pipe bending industry worldwide. With the help of this award, we will continue to grow in the UK market. However, we also expect to continue to grow across the wider world in places such as Australia, New Zealand and the Middle East, the same sort of growth that enabled us to win this award in 2023. Applying for and ultimately winning the first ever King's Award for Enterprise has been immeasurably valuable, not only for our team, but for our company potential as a whole.